don't know if you could hear this, but that bird's been squawking an awfully long time. Wonder what's going on in those bushes. He's still squawking. Can you hear him? I'm going to play this back to see if you could actually hear this. Bye.